Right then guys, just got down Worran Mill Farm, set up, here for the day. Lake was a bit, bottom part of the lake when I'm fishing, which is good. Oh, gotta go. Right then guys, sorry about that, a bit of the intro like, and had a run and fish on. It was only 11:14 Ash, was it?
Yeah,
11:14. So Ash had just turned up, lucky enough, in time to take a photo for me, to save me trying to do it all through the camera and set it up. But yeah, that was thanks to Hybrid Tackle with a winter session pack on size 6 with a Ronnie rig, which I made in my previous video. So yeah, and that hadn't been out in the water 20 minutes. Cast out, got the other rods out, and boom, fish screamed off. And that was with the B&B Northern bait as well. So yeah, lucky enough the ice is disappearing now in this corner. And weekend just gone, there was a good £20 plus pulled out a year, apparently according to the owner. He does advertise £25 plus, but the biggest I've had is I haven't had a 20 out here yet. So that'd be a nice target to get out here, to get a 20 out. So
yeah, but I'll get it.
So yeah, alright guys, sorry about the wind if the wind's bad on the camera with the mic. So I'll update you in a bit. Catch you in a bit. Right then guys, a little update through, nothing for me. My mate Steve to the left of me have lost one fish, hook link snapped, but wind's picked up. So I got two of the other boys then have gone over on a far bank, a bit further round, and well, they haven't long got here, so they're still setting up. Slow coaches, man. So yeah, there's Stevie boys, sorting all this bit of ground bait out. But yeah, hopefully we can get some more fish out. Hoping to get a nice fish on video for you. If I can get a fish, get me playing a fish, then I will. It is a bit awkward, but well, what can you say? Good fighting fish up here though, that's all I can say. Catch you in a bit. Right then guys, update through. Just had my second fish. 8.5 £, common. Lovely little, quite stumpy that common wasn't long streamline, which mainly had in here. So yeah, and like the first one I had was 11.14. This one was 8.5. Right, Vigs. They both come on the same rod, which is on normal vanilla lead. With my lead co-leader, I like my lead to run the line, so when I take it, they're not hitting the lead, they are hitting the hook. It's on a Ronnie rig then, with a 12mm pop-up I'm using, so the Ronnie rig actually isn't popping up, it's just a pop-up sitting up. That was a bite again, and a little nibble. Might have been a wind. Oh well. So yeah, it's not too bad. My hook link, I'd say, is about 10 to 15 centimeters if that, hook length, and then I obviously got my Ronnie rig. So I think guys, yeah. What's that, Steve? You lost one? Oh, and Steve's saying let's get this on filming, is it? Come on then, Stevie boy. It's not on Ed's bloodworm, is it? Yep. It's on the bloodworm, Ed.
Yeah.
I think it's just the one. I think it's the one I just put back and put on your end, didn't you?
Yeah.
I tell you what, I'll just jump down here. Look at me. Make it a bit easier for you. You ready? Yep. He's got a line over him. He's got a feeder. I think he's got some line over him. He has got a lot of line over him. Yeah, he's got a feeder.
Not bad.
Smile, Steve.
Always.
So that's not a bad one. Nice little damage on the scales on the back.
Yeah, not too bad.
So, alright then guys, I'll get a photo of this one for you in a bit now.
Yeah.